Getting in the best shape of your life while you're married is one of the hardest things you can possibly do. So I made a video talking about how me and my wife are about to get in the best shape of our entire lives by getting a personal trainer. Check it out. What's up, Fit Fam? So today, me and my wife are on our way to go see a personal trainer. Probably thinking, why the heck is a personal trainer getting a personal trainer? Well, I'll tell you this. Billy and I feel like we need an extra push in the gym. For the past 3 to 4 years, I've been kind of like in maintenance mode in terms of my training routine. It's something I need someone else holding me accountable to do what I need to do. Husbands and wives aren't good at holding each other accountable. So what we're doing, we're trying to level up. We're trying to get right. My wife wants to get right. I want to get right. This summer, I want to be the most shredded I've been ever. So I'm going to try to do like a little bodybuilding prep with this guy. And you're about to see the first encounter that we're gonna have with a personal trainer. A lot of people out there don't know what it's like to have a personal trainer. So we're gonna record and I'm gonna show you what you should be talking about with your trainer or whoever you're working with, and just to see what that first encounter looks like. You should never go into a workout, go to a trainer, straight into a workout and just start doing it. You need to talk about goals, you need to talk about why you're there, and then you really need to figure out why you're wanting a personal trainer or a trainer in general. So I'm here with Kellen. Kellen has basically been a mentor to me to get Fit Life started. Obviously we got it started, we're very successful, but now I want to get my body right. I want to do a bodybuilding prep, and I'm going to talk to him about what we need to do because he used to be a bodybuilder. So he's been in the game. How long have you been training?
Man, 17 years now.
I sped this part up because it's like 10-20 minutes long, but we just sat there, we talked about what I wanted to do, what my wife wanted to do, what our goals were, and how we were going to get there. My main concern was trying to figure out how to make this right with my wife. How can she have her stuff and how can I have my stuff and make it work together? That's what most couples struggle with. So Kellen and his wife do this all the time. So now was a perfect time to ask him how to get this done right.
You're doing the right thing, and there's absolutely, I have a trainer, I still go see a trainer. So trainers have trainers, guys. You got to be held accountable. It's accountability partner. Right, so I'll go see him every now and then and make sure that I'm on point. So he's exactly right. When you're busy, you have to have accountability, you have to have structure.
So then we just talked about a couple different ways he likes to exercise, different movements he likes to go over, and what we need to be doing when we get into the gym. But basically, this is a run through. You want to go with your trainer. Either they have a little tiny workout set up for you and you talk about goals, or you just may talk the entire time, but these are the steps you want to look for getting a trainer. All right, so we got our plan set. Kellen's got us set up on our nutrition plans, grocery shopping list. We have literally everything. When it comes to getting in shape and right with fitness, I personally am going to take most professional route possible. I want to have the attention. I want to have the personalized plan. I want to have the personalized nutrition plan, because if I'm doing something that everyone else is doing, one, I don't feel special, and two, that means that it's probably not going to work for me. Every individual on this planet is built differently and they need something different. That's why I train my clients that way. But when people are looking to get into fitness, you can't just go do a big class and expect stuff to happen. It's probably not going to happen. You may feel better, but with this right here, I know I'm getting the best of the best. So results are going to come. Wifey got her plan. She's getting ready to get started. So we're trying to figure out how many days we can get in with him. And then probably get like a little side membership to another gym just so we have a place to work out other than working out at home and working out at my gym. I want to be able to go someplace where I can separate myself, disconnect, and get to work. So if you want to follow the program, you want to follow what I'm doing to see how I'm getting in shape, how husband and wife's getting in shape, making it work, click the subscribe button and stay tuned.